IDS-1100 is easy to attach and detach parts since all connections are magnetic. The rechargeable battery enables continuous use, and it can be easily replaced. Ergonomic design enables easy one-handed operation and allows all functions to be performed effortlessly. It is designed to prevent the influx of dust, and the contact plate that comes into direct contact with the skin is sterilizable. You can comfortably examine the dermis and epidermis layers of the skin by utilizing the polarization mode. As a medical device, IDS-1100 has been certified to meet several authorized safety standards such as CE, FDA, and ANVISA. You can directly observe the object through the lens with the naked eye, or alternatively, attach a universal adapter to capture and share images and videos.